Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and let's go over XRP, what's happening, news, updates, and most importantly, the charts. What it's telling us, where are we going, what's going on. So, for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. If you do like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. The purpose of the videos is to tell you what I'm about, what's going on, the research that I'm up to, and for you to go away and do your own research and see if we both see the same thing. And 9 times out of 10, you guys agree with me, which is awesome. So today we're sitting at $1.02. We dipped obviously yesterday, and we went to 93 cents at one stage. Tried again at again 93, and then we started to come back up again. We went up all the way to $1.071, and now we're sitting at $1.02. So exciting because obviously the price change. The 24-hour low was 93.88, and the high 24-hour high is $1.07. But I mean, a week ago, $1 would have just been like, what? I mean, look at this. Like a week ago, we were just sitting at 59 cents. So it's amazing where we are today, and so cool to see all the XRP army everywhere talk about it. It's just brilliant. And so with strong momentum that Ripple is having at the moment in XRP, a lot of articles are starting to say that the Ripple case is turning into the SEC now being on trial instead of, Ripple being on trial. And obviously when you go after a company and, you make a case and, you lodge your formal complaint and, you lodge your lawsuit. So anybody can lodge a lawsuit, but then how strong is your suit? And that's what we've always said from day one, December 23, when this started, that this thing doesn't have a backbone, and it's just going to hurt this company, this American company, by the way, for no good reason apart from the SEC just trying to be the SEC. And so they're in trouble because two outcomes: settlement, which is positive for Ripple, or a straight out win. Will have a lot of questions. SEC will have a lot of questions to answer as to why they went even after them in the first place. So I know a lot of you make this comparison, and I think XRP_CRO made a really cool explanation here. And this is a chart that was built a while back. And XRP and Bitcoin are two different worlds. One is the internet of value and the other one is the store of value. So you don't really need to compare one to the other. And, when I do see people say, oh, it's a billion times faster, and why would you ever go with Bitcoin? They serve two different purposes. One of them, people are going to store their wealth in it. The other one is an internet of value across so many different sectors, and with its mission of instant liquidity around the world. So two different worlds. One is like a hard wallet, where you just store it, and the other one is an internet of value. So it's really important to grasp that, because if you've just come across XRP and you want to make a comparison one with the other, it's not really comparing apples with apples, because the purpose of one is different to the purpose of the other. And I wanted to raise that because we don't often talk about this part of it. Now, I'm sure some of you have seen this, but it's the psychology of the market cycle. And I have to agree with the gentleman that shared this tweet, is that I think when it comes to XRP, we've just hit hope. We haven't even hit the optimism, the belief, and the euphoria phase. And now we all know that at the end of the bull run, which is the peak of the euphoria, it will be time to pack a lot of our bags and sell them, because we don't want to go into the panic or disbelief phase again empty-handed. And I do want to raise that. And I've made a mention before that if you are staying up at night thinking about this and it's eating away at you and your everyday life, then it might be time to take some of the profits and just leave the rest in there. Don't let this get over. The emotion in this game is what really defines a good trader or a good investor from a bad investor. You know, like don't let the emotions get the better of you. And when in doubt, watch stuff like this from people that are, you know, showing you from a technical perspective why it's a good idea to still hold. And it might just ease your mind a little bit. So I wanted to touch base on that because it's very important, you know, to not have, you know, your mental health be so impacted by trading or by holding cryptocurrency. So I like what Tylee did here with this particular pattern and this particular chart. And obviously what we're looking for now is to break past $1.10 and move straight to $1.30. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, this is what one of the scenarios is, that this is a bullish signal. The dip that we just had is a very bullish signal because it's just a little retrace and then we're going to go again. So very exciting news to push to $1.30 is the next resistance line. So that's what it looks like right here at the moment with what we've just witnessed with the pullback. So we went to $1.10, dipped down, and obviously, you know, like you gotta have a retrace. And now we've sort of formed this formation, and that is a bullish formation to kick off the next phase of this run. And so where do we go from here? So from where we are today, $1.20 next phase, $1.30, like I mentioned, is going to be quite a large resistance area. Beyond that is $1.40. And once we break $1.40 and break it consistently, the next stop is $1.80. And then before you know it, we are going to be in the 2 and break that all-time high that the fellas and ladies that have been holding XRP since 2017 have been waiting for. There are followers of this channel and followers of the TikTok channel that I know, and because they've told me that they've been in since 2017, and your patience will be rewarded because time in the market will always win compared to timing the market. So trying to get the right time compared to time in the market. Time in the market always wins. Always. From where we are today, obviously we've broken past $1. We are now retracing. And you know, we're at $1.02 right now as I'm making this right now. So we're going to touch that again. And then off we go again. We're going to break past $1.10 to maybe around $1.15. Touch $1.10 and then push forward to $1.25. That is the next stop of what is about to happen. And so, if you liked the video, learned something new today, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate every single one of you. And I want to know in the comments below, where are you? What are your thoughts? What are you thinking about XRP Ripple? How long have you been involved? And more importantly, if you're new, what are your thoughts? You know, like let us know, let the XRP community know in the comments just how you feel about this whole thing. And I cannot wait to see you on the next one.